Ano ang sabi? Finally, here you are. Magsiswitch ka na to electric vehicle. Naghahanap ka ng kotse na sakto para sa lifestyle mo dito sa Manila. Well, I have some good news for you because this car we'll feature today is designed for a city like Manila. Ito po, ang Dongfeng Nano Box. Let's go! Kung di pa po kayo nagsasubscribe sa channel ko, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Maraming salamat po. Well, umpisahan natin to in a question. Bakit nga ba yung mga sasakyan na binebenta today most of the time, they're designed for wide highways, pero dito tayo nakatira on a city like Manila? A city, basically on an average, takes you around 25 to 35 minutes for a 10-kilometer drive. Finding a parking space is always a competition, and most of the time, pag rush hour, alam naman natin, naka-first gear ka lang at talagang kailangan ng sobrang pasensya para ka laging naka-survival mode on a daily basis. So today, pag-usapan natin isang kotse na ini-embrace niya yung reality na yan. It is not a dream car, it's not a performance ED neither, but if you live in a city like Manila, this is really a brilliant option. Kasi reality po, Metro Manila is ranked one of the most congested cities in the world. Something that we need to accept, but I believe we can do something about it. Kasi with millions of vehicles squeezing sa isang road network na to take that type of volume of cars on a daily basis, kaya maganda ang sasakyan mo, kayang pumasok sa mga hindi ganong kaluwang na mga kalsada, hindi hassle i-park. At syempre, designed din for stop and go traffic without you feeling na nagsasayang ka ng pera dahil ang gasolina po ngayon ay sobrang mahal. And if you think about it, that's exactly where small EV cars like this make sense. Ito pong Dongfeng Nano Box is a compact electric city car. Around the size po siya ng Toyota Wigo if you look at it. Length 3.7 meters, wide at 1.58 meters. Electric motor niya is around 44 horsepower ang output at 125 Newton meters of torque. Very modest, diba? Nothing impressive. Battery niya is around 27 to 28 kilowatt hour ang capacity. Range po niya is around 300 to 350. Doon po naglalaro. It varies. Like what I've said earlier, hindi po siya performance EV na talagang hataw sa tulin. Pero pang city po talaga. Talagang fit na fit po siya para dyan. Kasi if you have a big SUV, struggle po talaga yung, alam nyo, yung barangay roads, basement parkings, tight U-turns. However, the Nano Box on the other hand, pasok na pasok po siya sa mga lugar na nag-hesitate ka na pasukin. Yung may mga short turning radius at madali po siyang imaniobra, easy to park anywhere, sabi ko nga. And in this regard, small cars, EVs like this, they have an advantage. However, Manila traffic actually reduces EV stress. Hindi po niya ini-increase. Bakit po? Kasi alam niyo, EV, they don't burn energy while idling. As in, nakahinto ka lang. It has instant torque at low speeds, lalo na talagang andun ka agad. Pag accelerate mo, accelerate na siya. At nakaka-recover ng energy through regenerative braking. Ganun po ang mga EV, mga hybrid. When you live in a city like Manila, average mo dyan, swerte ka na 50 kilometers an hour, makatakbo ka ng ganyan. Kaya isang kotse kamukha nito, it just really makes sense. You don't really need to go fast. Kailangan mo lang makausad ng maayos, smoothly, quietly, efficiently. Because sa umaga, traffic. Sa gabi, pauwi, traffic. That's how it is. Of course, this is an electric vehicle. So, dapat pag-usapan natin yung what is always the number one concern in purchasing an EV, the range anxiety. Well, kasi po, Manila driving covers around average 30 to 50 kilometers per day. Most of the time, mas mababa pa po dyan. Kaya kung iisipin nyo owning an EV like this, sa araw-araw nyong biyahe, you're looking at multiple days between charges. So, hindi ka laging nagcha-charge. Ibig sabihin po niyan, there is no panic in nightly charging na kailangan i-charge mo siya lagi. Ibig sabihin po niyan, hindi nyo po kailangan ng sobrang laking battery capacity when you live in a city like Manila. Now, speaking of charging, it supports DC fast charging because some I know they don't, but this one, it can charge to 30 to 80% in about 30 minutes. Pag available po ang DC charging. Napaka-critical po nito kasi mostly Manila residents, they live in condos. Kaya yung home charging is not always guaranteed. Malamang wala talaga. Kaya yung mga mall charging, yung mga charging stations, they become lifelines. Charging discipline in Metro Manila, it still has problems. Talaga pong infrastructure, paunti-unti, tuloy-tuloy na pinapaganda, dumadating, sineset-up na. Fast charging capability gives you flexibility, not dependence. Kasi it's big time. 30 minutes, 30% to 80% charging na kagad. Malaking bagay po. And the basics po, it's an EV, electricity is cheaper per kilometer than gasoline. Fewer moving parts, less maintenance. No oil changes, no engine heat soaking in traffic. At magandang i-consider din sa kanya, they have a very good AC system, mga EV cars. Wala kang iniintinding overheat. So for a daily commuter or second car, it really makes financial sense over time. Lalo na ngayon, meron pong mga EV incentives at it's coding exempt. Now, reality is, long provincial highway drives every week and kailangan talaga paplanuhin nyo po pag ganito ang sasakyan na dadalhin nyo. Kung ikaw ay high-speed enthusiast, hindi po ito mag-fit sa hinahanap nyo, yung expectation nyo. One-car families needing space for everything dahil limitado lang po ang space. But on the other hand, ang positive point sa kanya, Manila commutes, alang problema, city-focused households, yung araw-araw na buhay mo ay dito sa city. If you're a first-time EV buyer dahil maliit lang siya na kotse, sakto din po to. At pwede na rin sa mga nakatira sa condo na they need flexibility. This particular car, it does not try to impress your ego. And sometimes, the smartest car isn't the biggest or fastest or flashiest. It's actually the one that fits the city you live in. At dito po sa Dongfeng Motors, dito po sa Pasig, along Ortigas Avenue, ito po ang pricing ng Dongfeng Nano Box. Currently, they have a discount ongoing. Andito po si Ma'am Kay para tulungan kayo, ang kanilang very accommodating sales consultant. Sa pagtatapos, gusto ko siyang tapusin kung ano ang sinabi ko noong umpisa. You live in Metro Manila, you're decided to switch to EV, you're looking for that car, you're looking for that first EV car to own, this is a very good starting point. It's a very smart option. Ito po ang Dongfeng Nano Box. If you found some value on this video, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Maraming salamat po. Drive safe, and I'll see you on the next one.